at the styling dude, Josh.
Oh, look at that, Josh.
Hey, Bob's pretty, babe.
Do you know how to take them in and out?
There.
Put them in that way. Okay?
Rip it. Come on, hard.
Can't even lift it.
There, Josh. Pull.
Jojo.
You want me to help you? Sure, now you want me to help you, huh? Here. Come on, rip it. Out right here. Here. Open it up. Alrighty, open it. Yeah, you like that, huh? Isn't that nice? Look it. You want to play with this?
That's from your wrist?
Hmm? Here. Go say thank you.
Well, they got a lot of them. What?
You want that one? Here.
There you go.
How'd you get it? No. Where'd you put it? The Little Mermaid. Where'd you put it on? Yeah.
Just pull it out.
Where's your gun?
It's over there.
Oh.
Over here, babe. Let me see. Cut. Show over here. Face over here. Oh, how nice.
There, over here.
Because I'll take that. Okay?
Look it. Somebody take that.
Yeah, I know.
Where's your gun, buddy? Were there any cool cards in there?
Yeah, Barry Sanders, Holiday Mike.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's watch Gracie open her present.
Excuse me.
Okay, move back.
Why are you playing with Josh's? Don't you ever know?
Here's will not back up. Okay, move back.
You lost your thing, Cass.
No!
It's like, give me 5. Hey, look, she's saying give me 5.
My husband is in there.
You got one, remember? Your pony?
What?
Are you gonna put your clothes? Give me 5.
Roman, can I do her hair?
Yeah.
Mom,
Huh?